and welcome class 7 students. Today in this class we are going to solve the subtraction of algebra. In my previous videos I have provided the sums showing the addition simplification of algebra of the polynomials. But today in this class I will show you the subtraction of algebraic polynomials. So let's get started. Now subtraction, there is a different rule. Suppose it is given to you that subtract (54x) from 79x. This way sums will be given to you. What you have to do is, you have to subtract 54x from 79x. So 79x minus 54x you have to do. From means this one is the bigger number. So from this number you have to subtract 54x. Maximum of you, whenever you do subtraction, you do the reverse thing. So please be careful while doing the subtraction. When it will be given to you that subtract something from something, the later one we will write first, and the former number we will write second. The former number will be subtracted from the later number, or the former number will be taken away from the later number. This is the general rule of subtraction. That is why here I have written 79x minus 54x, because 54x should be taken away from 79x. So let's do the subtraction. 79x minus 54x gives you 25x. This is how you will do the subtraction. In this way, different forms of numbers will be given to you, either positive or negative, but this is the rule. The later must be written first and the former must be subtracted or taken out from the later one, just the way I have done. Now I am showing you different sums related to this. If you are given subtract 154 p cubed from minus 200 p cubed, what you will do? In this case, first you have to write down minus 200 p cubed, and from minus 200 p cubed you have to take out 154 p cubed. So minus 154 p cubed. See, minus 200 p cubed and 154 p cubed both will be minus, because minus 154 p cubed you have to take out from this whole minus 200 p cubed. So minus 200 p cubed you will write first and then take out minus 154 p cubed. You will take out 154 p cubed. Taken out means you have to subtract like the way I have done. Now what you will do? Both the minus will be added, and here we will again get a minus. So what we will get is 354. 354 will be the answer. Now let us see one different sum. Suppose it is given subtract minus 18x from minus 23x. Minus 18x from minus 23x. What will you do? You have to write this first, that is minus 23x you are going to write. Now this is also given not 18x, but consider the sign that is given minus 18x. So minus 18x also you will write. But you have to subtract minus 18x. You have to subtract minus 18x. That is, minus 18x will be subtracted from minus 23x. So this minus and minus will be multiplied and it will become plus. Ultimately, it will become plus 18x. Minus 18x and minus 18x will become plus 18x. So, minus 23x plus 18x you have to consider and do the sum. So it will come as minus 5x. From 23, if we subtract 18, we are going to get 5. But since 23 is a larger number, so minus 5 we are going to get as the answer. In this way, we are going to solve the sum. Now again, suppose it is given that minus 23x from, you have to subtract minus 23 is 26x from 32x. What will you do? Again you will write 32x and subtract minus 26x. You have to subtract minus 26x means 26x will be added. Minus of minus will become add 26x. So 32x plus 26x will give you 58x. In this way you have to carry on the minus. I hope you have understood the thing that I am trying to tell you. Again, let us consider another sum. Suppose it is given to you that subtract a cube plus 2a square minus 6 from 4a cube plus 7a square plus 8. You have to subtract this from this. What will you do? You will write this first. Naturally I have told you, because this is the larger number, from this you have to take out this. So what you will do is, first you will write 4a cube plus 7a square plus 8 and a cube plus 2a square minus 6. What you have to do is, you have to subtract these all. That means you have to change the sign of all the terms written in the bottom. These line, the next line, the second line, you have to change all the sign of this polynomial which will be subtracted. So here you have to do the minus of this. That means all the sign of this will change. A square will become minus a square, plus 2a square will become, a cube will become minus a cube, plus 2a square will become minus 2a square, and minus 6 will become plus 6. Automatically the sign will be changing. Since you have to do subtraction, the terms of the later polynomial, that is this polynomial, will change. So 4a square minus a square will become 3a square. 4a cube minus a cube will become 3a cube. 7a square minus 2a square will become 5a square. And 8 plus 16 will become 14. So this will be the answer. In this way, you are going to solve the subtraction given to you. The sign and the symbol will change. The sign, since it is subtracted, since the first one will be subtracted from the second one, the symbol written in the second position, the symbol of this polynomial, that is the first polynomial written over here, will change automatically. All the plus will become minus and minus will become plus, and we will consider the changed symbol now. We will not consider the initial symbol, and we will do the calculation in this way. So I hope whatever I have explained through these examples, you have understood the subtraction well. In my next class, I am going to provide you with more sums to make your problems easier. Till then, goodbye.